Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is the goodness that is inside of you. It's so much good that you're not giving yourself credit for, Scorpio, because you're so worn out by filling up everyone else's cups, helping everyone else that is around you. You are a safe haven. You're a comfort. You're magical. You're a superstar. It's time to look in the mirror and say thank you. You deserve better. You deserve everything that's in your mind, because and it's time to fill up your own cup. It's okay to be selfish today and give yourself a pat on the back, because you've been servicing the entire world for so long. I overcome my imperfections when it comes to confidence, when it comes to what you deserve, and you polish your character with confidence, and I feed on the positive. Just look at your life. It's full of positivity. Don't you deserve to have some results that you actually want and have been manifesting? That's what the universe is saying. You've been working and helping so much. Give yourself some credit and radically think of the blessings, the things and transitions that you want in your life so they can give it to you. What you reflect is what you get. What you say you want, what you feel, and what you think that you deserve, that's what you get. So make sure you think outside of the box of prosperity and positivity. I free myself and allow the goodness to manifest and become a source of joy through gentleness. You're always so gentle and loving. And offer unconditional support, which you already do that so easily. And understanding and love. That's why people love you. You're so understanding. You're so lovable, is unconditional. And to yourself and to others, I'm asking you to do that to yourself today. Love yourself even more, because once you become more of a happy being, solid being, believe that you're in the right place that you're supposed to be, get what you deserve. You're going to share it. It's going to reflect. And it's going to help propel so many other lives to the next level, filling up so many cups. When it comes into joy, the smallest source of happiness could be joy. Laughing at yourself, laughing at a friend, a clumsy baby. It could be a clumsy animal. It could be able to stand, walk, talk. It could be to write your name. It could be able to breathe. These are superpowers that we can use as sources of joy to propel us into a high frequency of positivity. Then blessings can continue to rain in our way. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.